In this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing UCS icon in AutoCAD using two quick and easy methods. If your UCS icon suddenly disappears, there's no need to worry because it's usually just a display setting. The first method is to go to the View tab, open the Display menu, select UCS icon, and then choose On. Your UCS icon should immediately appear in the drawing area. If you prefer using commands, click in the command line, type UCSICON and press Enter. Then type On and press Enter again to display the icon. If the icon still doesn't appear, make sure you're working in model space and not hiding display elements with a custom workspace. You can also reset your workspace if needed to restore the default interface. The UCS icon is useful because it shows the current orientation of your drawing and helps you work accurately, especially in 3D designs. That's how easy it is to restore the UCS icon in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.